after experiencing an installation loop with GTA 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get back to playing the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, CPU, and GPU specifications. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc., and find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Navigate to your computer's temporary files folder by typing %temp% in the Run dialog Windows+R. Delete all files in this folder to clear any potentially problematic temporary files that could be causing the loop. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. After disabling them, try launching the game again to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. Make sure to back up your saved games if necessary before proceeding with an installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing GTA 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.